Guys, welcome back. It's Dave. Hey, I got something special for you today. That's right, one of my own collection. I've been promising to show you this awesome 1968 Buick Skylark for a long time. Today, it has come, and it will be. This is my 1968 Buick Skylark. I bought this car from the original owner. I'm the second owner of this vehicle. I will never part with it. What you're looking at right there, folks, is essentially my casket. Because I love this car so much, I will never sell it. There's no amount of money you can offer me, so don't bother. This is a truly special car to me. I know the value of the car. No, it's not a $100,000 car. It's not a sought-after machine. But it's my machine, and it makes me happy. And happiness, well, that's priceless. If you can achieve happiness, you win. Doesn't matter what it is. It could be this car. It could be time with your wife. It could be time with your kids. It could be that house you live in. Maybe you don't have that house yet, but it's those things in life that give you joy that really mean the most to you. And this gives me a lot of joy. It always has. I'm going to give you a sneak peek inside this awesome machine. But first, we're going to look at the roof. Oh my God, shines so nice. You can see the reflection of the woods there on the top of the roof. I know, maybe I'm the only one that loves this car this much, but like I said, that's okay. We're going to look at the package tray, what a lot of people used to call the doggy seat. See that? It's in perfect condition. This car only has one repaint, and I was the one that repainted it. So it has very little body work in it. What body work it had done to it was done with metal, and it was just literally a few spots that once we sanded it down, they just needed to be reworked a little bit metal wise, because I didn't like some of the divots that were there. Other than that, the car had zero rust when I started this restoration, and really could have gone for many more years with the original paint. However, when I would take it to a show back in Virginia, I would look at that paint and I'd be like, this is not show quality paint. Well, I like show quality paint. Those of you who follow me, who are subscribers and have seen my other videos, know that I usually only shoot and make videos of cars that are really nice. Of course, there has been a few projects I have posted for my friends who are trying to sell those projects and would like the exposure for the YouTube channel, but those are projects. But majority of the time, I just like to shoot beautiful vehicles and really be able to see the beauty. So with that said, I'm going to show you a little bit more beauty. We're going to go inside the car for a second. The seats are impeccable. Everything's new but dated material. So this material basically was bought by somebody and then warehoused until the time when someone needs it, and then they get it out and sell it to you because it's been kept in a warehouse and in good condition. Headliner is in impeccable condition. I'm going to take a peek at this. I don't know if any of you can see that, but it kind of looks just like this car. That's because that is this car. That's a 1968 Buick Skylark that was featured in the advertisement for GM. In here in the front, we've got the dash, steering wheel. The steering wheel is showing its age. It has its cracks and wear that you see in every old car steering wheel. The mirror is the original mirror. All this stuff is original. The dash, the carpet, flooring, all that stuff's original to the car. Go out here, look through the windshield after I go back here for a second. Take one more peek at that. I love that. Okay. Let's go up here and take a peek through the windshield. And as always, sniff, but don't scratch, please. Don't touch. That's what you have to post on these vehicles at car shows. Otherwise, you'll have people just climbing all over it. And oh, look what we got. Look what we got here, guys. We got the Hooters Girls of South Florida. Oh, that's the calendar. Sorry. Just the calendar. Sorry, guys. Just the calendar. But those are the Hooters Girls of South Florida, and that's the calendar. Look at the inspection sticker here. Now, when I bought this car from the original owner, I watched him drive it into the garage that night when I offered him to buy it. And it was in 1995. It was in Herndon, Virginia. And when he pulled it into the garage, I was delivering some firewood for him and stacking it. And I asked him, I said, hey, would you be interested in selling that car? He got a little angry, a little perturbed, I would say. Not really angry, but perturbed. And he said to me, well, let me tell you like this, he said, if you never ask me about it again, he says, when I'm ready to sell it, I'll let you know. And I said, well, that's fair. So obviously the man didn't want to be bothered about it, and as the years went by, I did not bother him about it again. Matter of fact, I just about forgot about the car. And one day my phone rang, long years after I quit doing firewood. My phone rang, and it was this guy. And he said, he goes, hey, you still want to buy that Buick Skylark? And I kind of laughed. I chuckled. I said, sure. He goes, well, I'm serious. Do you want to buy it or not? And I said, well, absolutely, I want to buy it. I told you I wanted to buy it back in 1995. And he said, well, he says, if you want the car, get over here and get it. I said, okay. He still sounded a little perturbed. But nice fella. As it turned out, he really just didn't want the car, and I believe the car may have just bothered him, being there. He had nothing. He had no enjoyment with the car, and he didn't have the same feelings for the car that I have. So, with that said, in 2008, I purchased this car, and I have owned it ever since. And I want to show it to you. I want to show it off because that's what I do. Those of you who know who I am, I'm Dave. And I'm now just with Classic Cars Connection, my YouTube channel. But I used to be with Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. And we used to show off cars almost every single day. But now, I just show off cars when I want to, which is almost every single day, except for lately I've not been putting anything online, and I apologize. I have been suffering a little bit with a sciatica, so I haven't really been able to do much bending, cleaning, shining of these wheels and stuff. But yesterday, I felt amazing, and I feel amazing today. So I went ahead and I shined it up. And I said, you know what? We're going to do a video. That's right. We're going to do a video. These are Buick mags. They are the basically like a rally sport rim Buick mag. I bought these tires and rims from Coker Tire in Tennessee back in 2008. Actually, these tires are from 2008. I know, it's crazy. I can't even believe they still hold air, but they do. All right, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry I haven't been posting as much lately as I wish I could, but hopefully I'm going to get back on it. My chiropractor has been tweaking my back a little bit and hoping for some sciatic relief, and as that relief comes, then I will be back out here shining and taking videos of my stuff and other people's stuff, and we'll get back at it as quickly as possible. Guys, if it's your first time being here, Classic Cars Connection, I greatly appreciate you. I hope you'll return, but while you're here, if you could subscribe, like, and share these videos, that would greatly be appreciated. How I justify doing this is by the response I get to the videos. So if I only get a couple views and I get no comments, and I'm not going to feel much like doing this because I'm just doing it for me. And really, anybody that knows me knows that I do it for you. I do this for you because I can and I want to. So if you could also comment on the video, I would greatly appreciate that too. And I will comment back, or if you don't want to talk, you don't have to, but I will answer your comment. Beautiful Skylark. Love the badge. The badge is so beautiful. And guys, no, these are not real breather ports there, but Buick put them on, and you will only ever see 3 on each side because the car only has 3 of the breather holes. If you see a car with 4 breather holes, it does not mean anything else special. It just means somebody put 4 of them on there when the original came from Buick was just 3 breather holes. No matter if you have a 6-cylinder engine or an 8-cylinder engine, you have 3 breather holes on each side. However, those are just cosmetic. Guys, thank you so much. Without further ado, I'm going to let you get back to your day. I'm sure you have better things to do than listen to me talk. But I wanted to show you this beautiful vehicle, as promised. Thank you so much.